Sandokan, Sandokan, कि मसीहा आ ही गया. Sandokan, Sandokan, नस नस में एक जोश की शक्ति भरने लगा. सीप ने हौले हौले कहा, सागर कितना दूर हुआ. उठती घटती लहरों में कौन बना है कौन मिटा. पर्वत को जो राग बना दे.
Can we have 2 mics on stage, please? And we now invite the floor for question and answers. Thank you. Any questions?
अनिल जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. 76 की ये सीरीज़ है एंड 79 में आपने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की थी, फिल्मों का आना जाना हुआ था. इस सीरीज़ से कुछ इत्तेफाक रखते हैं? कभी आपने देखा था इस सीरीज़ को, संदोकान को?
मैटर फैक्ट मेरी एक्साइटमेंट आप जैसी ही है, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है, मैंने इसकी तस्वीरें देखी है, मगर मैं जितने मेरे ख्याल से बहुत से फैंस होंगे मेरे जैसे जो ये देखना चाहेंगे. और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. और सबसे पहले कबीरदा दे ना दे, मैं ये डीवीडी लेके भाग रहा हूँ.
आप ही का है.
मिस्टर बेदी, आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि क्या ये टीवी पे भी सीरीज लाना चाहेंगे डीवीडी के अलावा? लाइक लोग देखने में काफी उत्सुक होंगे कि आप.
जी हाँ, डीवीडी रिलीज हुई है. मैं नेटवर्क से बात जरूर करूंगा. जिन्होंने मुझे सबसे अच्छा ऑफर दिया, सबसे अच्छा एक्सपोजर दिया, उनको टेलीकास्ट करने की परमिशन दूंगा मैं. लेकिन आमतौर पे लोग क्या करते हैं, टीवी पे दिखाते हैं फिर डीवीडी बनाते हैं. मैंने सोचा बेहतर है कि मैं पहले डीवीडी बनाऊं ताकि इसकी जो फिनिशिंग है, इसकी जो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन है, जो भी हमने करना है वो मेरे हाथों में रहे. और उसके बाद टेलीविजन नेटवर्क्स के साथ बात शुरू होगी. और उम्मीद है कि इसको अच्छा टेलीविजन रिलीज भी मिले. मैं तो यही चाहूँगा.
Good afternoon. Yeah, this is Vijay Shankar here. So, could you describe your first day of shoot of Sandokan? What was it like?
You know, even before the first day, this was a European series, and they wanted an Asian hero. So they decided to go on a tour of Asia, of 8 cities, to find which actor they were going to look at. They had various actors in mind, and then said, we look at new talent also. They thought of Toshiro Mifuno of Japan and all these people as well. The first actor they met, in the first city they came to, was me. And the director said, hey, he looks good. And the art director, Nino Navarrese, he said, that's your Sandokan. And the producer said, so can we go back now? Is the tour over? So the director said, no, we're going to go on the tour. So they went on this tour, and eventually I had to go to Rome, do my auditions for it, riding, fencing, etc. And I got the role. The shooting itself took place on the eastern coast of Malaysia, an area called Kuala Terengganu. Extremely beautiful, as you can see in the visuals. Extremely beautiful forests, brilliant blue seas, beautiful wildlife. And the very first day's shooting was one where I had to come off the ship, and there's a scene where I come down, I wave to Yannis, I come down the stairs and I embrace him. Yannis being my European buddy. And the thing was, those steps that were there were small and they were difficult to go down, but I didn't want to be my opening shot कि मैं नीचे देख रहा हूँ, you know. So I practiced for half an hour, going up and down those steps, coming down the steps without looking. And if you see the series, you'll see me coming, waving, coming down the steps without looking and going and saying hello to Yannis. So that was something I'm very proud of, my first day.
Kabir sir, did you have to do any workshop or were there any rehearsals before you all shot for the series earlier?
I had to take extra fencing lessons, fighting with this particular type of sword, because it's a very heavy sword, and you have to wield it with great care because you can damage people severely, even with a choreographed fight. So I had to train, and I had a great trainer called Franco Fantasia who did the action. So there was some training there. But what I didn't have to train for was the horse riding sequences, because when I was at school in Nainital, in Sherwood College, I would bunk school and come down to the lake and ride horses around the lake and then get caught for it and caned for it. But that served me more than anything I learned in school. The fact that I could ride horses. And that helped me a lot in Sandokan. And I could ride bareback too, which also helped.
बेदी साहब यहाँ
कहिए जी।
इसकी हिंदी डबिंग के बारे में जरा बताएं कि किस तरह से आपको जो है ध्यान रखना पड़ा, क्योंकि ये जो अंग्रेजी में बनी हुई आपको जब हिंदी में डब करते हैं किन किन चीज़ों का आपको ख्याल रखना पड़ा था?
जब अंग्रेजी से हिंदी में डबिंग करते हैं तो कुछ खास प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं। एक तो अंग्रेजी बहुत कंसाइज है, बातें कुछ संक्षेप में होती हैं। हिंदी लैंग्वेज जो है थोड़ा फैला होता है। आई एम गोइंग होम, मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, इट इज़ लॉन्गर। तो उसमें कैसे इस डायलॉग को लिखते वक्त इतना ब्रीफ रखें, ये एक मसला। दूसरी बात ये कि लिपसिंग कैसे हो, तो लिपसिंग के बारे में भी सोच सोच के कभी शब्द बदलने पड़ते हैं। तो ये एक ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस नहीं है कि कोई लिख दे और आप कर दें। स्क्रीन पे बिलीवेबल होना चाहिए। और जो कट्स आपने देखे हैं शायद उसमें आपने देखा है कि डबिंग काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, ये नहीं लगता कि किसी और भाषा से ली गई है। तो ये दो चीज़ें दिमाग में रख के और अच्छे डबर्स को लेके फिर भी टाइम बहुत लगता है ताकि डायलॉग जो आप स्क्रीन पे देखें वो बिलीवेबल हो। मेरी उम्मीद थी कि बहुत अच्छी डबिंग हो और आई एम प्राउड टू से दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द डबिंग। एंड लीला घोष, द ग्रेट लीला घोष यूज्ड टू डब, हु पास्ड अवे, उनका योगदान भी बहुत था इसमें। एंड आई वांट टू एक्सप्रेस माय ग्रेट ग्रेटिट्यूड टू लीला घोष फॉर व्हाट शी कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू द हिंदी डबिंग।
मिस्टर बेदी, अगर ये सीरीज इस जमाने में बने 2015-16 में, तो खुद के अलावा आप किसको देखना चाहेंगे लीड रोल में?
ये मैं कह नहीं सकता, ये मैं कह नहीं सकता।
मुझे नहीं लगता कोई है यहाँ कबीर दा के अलावा।
नहीं, बहुत से हैं, बहुत
नहीं नहीं
से हैं।
बिल्कुल ये
We
प्रेजेंस
have a fantastic generation of young actors.
जनरेशन है, आप तारीफ कर रहे हैं, मगर ये प्रेजेंस के साथ आई डाउट।
सर, आज एक खास दिन भी है, 8 दिसंबर बॉलीवुड के ही मैन का बर्थडे है, धर्म जी का।
अच्छा,
तो आप लोगों से अगर एक रिएक्शन जानना चाहेंगे, एक बाइट जानना चाहेंगे उनके लिए, कुछ कहना चाहें आप धर्म जी?
धर्म जी, आई लव, आई रिस्पेक्ट। मैं बल्कि उनसे 2 हफ्ते पहले यहीं मिला था और बहुत अरसे बाद मिला था और बहुत प्यार से मिले हम। धर्म जी हैं, वी लव हिम, वी रिस्पेक्ट हिम।
कपूर साहब, आप कुछ?
उनके बारे में जितना कहूँ उतना कम है मेरे ख्याल से। हिंदुस्तान के सबसे हसीन कलाकारों में हैं और मेरे ख्याल से हिंदुस्तान में कोई ऐसा कलाकार नहीं होगा जो उनको प्यार नहीं करता। पूरी जनता जो है आज है हिंदुस्तान की। मैं कितने शोज़ में गया हूँ और देखा हूँ बहुत सारे एक्टर्स साथ में होते हैं धर्म जी के। उनकी फिल्में रिलीज़ हो ना हो शायद कभी कभी, मगर जो रिएक्शन उनको मिलता है हम लोग को नहीं मिलता। तो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लव्ड ग्रेट एक्टर, फिनोमिनल एक्टर। उनके जैसा कोई कॉमेडी नहीं कर सकता। मैंने उनकी कॉमेडी फिल्म्स देखी हैं। चुपके चुपके इज़ वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट फिल्म्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स लॉट ऑफ अदर फिनोमिनल। फूल और पत्थर, द फर्स्ट ही मैन ऑफ आवर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, जिन्होंने आजकल मैंने तो नहीं उतारी शर्ट अब तक मगर पहला he was the first superstar actor to really remove his shirt in Puro Pattar और लोग पागल हो गए थे। And I remember as a kid when I went to watch in the theater, there was just people just started clapping and whistling and when we saw, तो हम सब फैंस हैं उनके और यू नो ही टुडे इज 80 years old एंड मुझे तो लगता है ही विल बी अ सुपरस्टार टिल ही इज 100 years old एंड गॉड ब्लेस हिम.
You know, let me just say, Dharamji was a big star when I entered the industry. And the first film that I actually shot was a film called Tarash with O.P. Ralhan directing. So it was actually my first film and Zeenat Aman's first film. And we said, man, you know, O.P. Ralhan has taken us, how fantastic. So I went to Ralhan Saab, I said, Ralhan Saab, ये फिल्म दी स्टोरी की है स्क्रिप्ट कमाल करना है मैं धर्म नो स्टार बनाता तू मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट मांग रहा है शर्म नहीं आती no no sir no need to tell story पता चला I wasn't the hero Zeenat Aman wasn't the heroine Ralhan Saab himself was the hero Heroine was the heroine and I and Zeenat were background music
इसलिए मैंने उस फिल्म का नाम नहीं लिया.
Hi, Mr. Kapoor. I think we have a lot of actors who've obviously, gone abroad and done a lot of films. But do you think somewhere the kind of popularity that, Mr. Kabir Bedi achieved through Sandokan and you achieved through 24 has encouraged a lot more actors today to kind of take that risk globally because global has become global. But then now you see a Priyanka doing a Quantico and Deepika, doing a movie with Vin Diesel. It's because you're such a big star here, you take it forward there. Do you think somewhere it really is encouraging to see the kind of popularity that this gets?
This is just the beginning. Just wait and watch. This is nothing. This is nothing. So just wait for the real excitement to begin. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And I said it in the past. I said it when, Slumdog happened. And I say it again and again. This is just the tip. People made fun of me. And everybody said, नहीं यार, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. मतलब होगा और इससे बड़ा होगा. This is nothing.
That is super, I think. Thank you so much. Also, of course, 24 is back and everybody's very excited about it. Do you see somewhere Mr. Bedi fitting in a role in the series 24 and something that can you probably cajole him to do?
I don't think so I can afford him.
Is that true, sir?
Seriously, because 24 is on a, it's, I always tell a lot of actors, because when, I'm sure he's aware of how television works. But somewhere, there is a wrong impression people have that there is a lot of money. And so when they come to television, I'm sure Kabirda is too mature and he's seen the world. But there is a certain kind of, why I said that is because there is a certain wrong impression people have that television hai, matlab, usse paisa kamana, aisa kuch nahi hai. When we're doing, I'm sure, Sandokan, 24, they're all great shows. And fortunately for him, that and for me, that we both, matter of fact, more for him because he was the lead. And when I did the international TV show, I was just a character actor in the show. And but these are all basically, path-breaking and milestones. And for me, the biggest happiness and excitement will be the day we make a show which is our show, made in Hindi, written in Hindi, and there will be an international actor over there, and he says, India se inspire hoke humne ye show kiya. So that's my dream,
That's great.
So, for me, I'm an optimistic. I never look back, I look in the front. So that's my dream, that we will write it ourselves, we will create that content, and that content will travel all over the world. That's my dream. Yeah.
That's amazing. Mr. Bedi, one question for you is that why did you wait so long? You thought this was the right moment? I mean, were you, I'm sure there were moments where you wanted to probably do it earlier, the launch. Did you think this period was apt because people are more acceptable and, horizons have widened?
Well, basically, I was out of India for so many years. And when you're out of India and you're living there and you're doing things, then to come to India and do a whole dubbing, I mean, it wasn't on my horizon at that time. But then also the growth of media that's happened. today I can release this independently. I don't have to go through a DVD distributor because I can go directly to Amazon, I can go directly to Flipkart, I can partner with Hungama. There's all kinds of new media platforms that exist for the release of this. We can start streaming it, we can start downloading it. All these options have opened really in the last 10 years. And the struggle to get this done properly has been about almost 5 years, because when I went to get the negatives, they said the negatives had to be cleaned and that cost a lot of money, and there were a lot of formalities involved in that. And the sound, there were problems, and all kinds of technical problems we faced before we were able to actually get this thing done. But the important thing is, Der Hai Durust Hai, it doesn't matter how long it took, it's here, it's before us, and it's there forever for the country to see, really love. But regarding the earlier thing, let me just say what you were asking, Anil. Nothing gives me greater happiness than to see the success of actors like Anil and Priyanka, etc., abroad, because these were the things we fought for. In those days, it was quite common for white actors to be painted brown and given Asian roles. And they wouldn't dare do it with black actors, but Asian actors were fair game. And we fought many battles over this and raised the awareness of people that you can't do this, you have to cast correctly. If it's the lead role and somebody does something, I can understand, that's a deal making, but normal roles, character roles, etc., you must cast correctly. And together with the rise of Indian talent and the importance of the Indian markets, to see Anil Kapoor going there and making such massive waves gives me huge joy, because this is what I'd hoped for. And Anil is saying, this is just the beginning. It makes me even happier, because I'd like to see even further success of Indian actors internationally from here onwards. So my sense is that that Indian actors will make a far greater presence felt abroad than ever before. And in that sense, I fully agree with Anil Kapoor.
Okay, so we all love a good love story. So to conclude our presentation to you, we will now show you a 30-second clip that highlights the impossible love story of Sandokan and Mariana. Thank you.
Mariana. Thank you all so much for coming. I'm most grateful to see how many people have come. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.